Welcome to our YouTube channel. Many people asked me about finding or calculating the Nusselt number in COMSOL. Today I am going to discuss that. For that purpose, I have taken a geometry of an artery which has two stenosis in both the arteries. So we are going to discuss the finding the Nusselt number for this. First of all, you can will go to the definitions, right click and define a variable. This is the first option. I am using this is in 2D axis metric, so I will deal in R and Z components. So first of all, you will define a variable of for expression. For that variable, the expression should be negative of temperature Z component. If you are using a Cartesian product, then it will come here Y component. Already defined next variable k and which is ht and k mean ht is equal next variable which is dt dz dot multiply k divided by dt and nu is the Nusselt number which is ht divided multiply length is arbitrary length of this artery or if as we are going to calculate it in 2D axis matrix, so this is not the length, it is uh, arbitrary diameter of the artery divided by k, which we already defined here. This is the Nusselt number definition, and after defining this variable and completing all the other steps of computing the graph and computing the study, you can already know that we will go to results and multiply group. Here we can uh, construct a line graph. For that purpose, we will select where we find the Nusselt number. Let's say we are going to find the Nusselt number of inner wall of this left artery, stenosis of left artery. So we will select that wall and change the expression in the y-axis data. Here we will write nu, which we defined for Nusselt number. As I am going to discuss, select it. It will show the unit is 1, as Nusselt number is a unitless dimensionless quantity. So simply click plot and it will plot the graph of Nusselt number for this wall. As I have already used the time from 0 to 25 seconds, so it will construct the graph for all the time interval, time instances. We can change that, uh, change it to interpolated and select it like 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 12, 16, 24, and if you want to calculate at 0 second as well, this is your choice. You can use for your own purpose. This is the this blue line shows Nusselt number graph for 0 second. This is will show for 4. This is 8 second and 24. Similarly 12, 24, 16, and these are the graphs. You can see by zooming in, and you can see all the graphs. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.